guys, Abel here. So today we're having a business trip going to Bacolod. So may mga kailangan tayong settle sa mga partners natin o sa ating negosyo. So travel tayo to Bacolod. So we're now riding the fast car from Tumangas. So we'll be docking in Banago Port. So that would be around an hour trip or a bit more minutes papunta doon. So this is the fastest, but the thing is, fast car is kumbaga mas premium ang bayad, mas mahal kumpara sa Montenegro at saka TriStar. So yun. So we're now in our journey going to Bacolod. So we're just enjoying the view. So in here in Fastcat, they have here on the top of the deck, ito yung open. So this is for the regular, and then meron din sa baba. Actually nandun ako sa economy class, pero ayan, para at least ma-share ko lang sa inyo guys yung experience na to travel with the Fastcat. So ayan, kaya sama na rin natin sa vlog ko to. So ayun, so I feel like it's really enjoyable. So you can feel the breeze, yung malakas na hangin dito. So ayan, kaya makikita nyo, napakahangin. Ang ganda, try nyo. Tsaka kumbaga, if you're riding Roro like this or yung fast car, ganda, nakaka-enjoy kasi nakakabawas ng stress. So ayan, so wala kang makikita kundi dagat, then yung mga dalampasigan at mga mountains dyan sa gilid-gilid. Ayun, so it's really smooth, and I feel like it's safe din kasi pag makikita mo, kompleto ang facilities. You have all the life jackets. So ayun, so there's the first thing that always see pag nagbabiyahe sa mga vessel na ganito is look for the safety safety equipment like the life jacket, para at least if there's a trouble, so ayun, lagi mong alam kung saan ka pupunta para maging safe yung sarili mo. So you can see from here, the life jackets are here. This is on the top deck. So ayan, dito sa top deck nakikita mo yung, ayan, kita mo open na open. So ayan, kita mo yung view. Medyo dito mas maganda. So ito yung sa control room, pag pinaka deck, nandyan yung kapitan at siya mga tripulante. So you can see from here, dito naman sinasakay yung mga sasakyan. So nandyan yung sasakyan namin, isa sa mga yan. So ayan, so it's been a while hindi ako nakagawa ng mga videos dahil really very busy with being an operations manager sa isang soda distribution company kay Coke nga. And then of course we have expanded the business by building other businesses like the Wingmates, ganyan. And it's all about fried chicken dahil dito sa Western Visayas, dito nang galing yung inasal, ganyan. So chickens and mga sinugba, mga inihaw, ganyan are the most popular delicacies na meron dito, and we're trying to build our own brand also. Yan nga, si Wingmates. So yan, I hope we could grow this to be say a player also in fried chicken. So ayan, so right now ang mga content ko, it's like more on focusing in business side, katulad ng kung paano ko grino yung ating hollow block smolder. I hope you can also join me in doing business and getting business tips from all my experiences, and hopefully this content will help you also the business that you are looking for. So yun yung gagawin natin. So from where sitting from now, right guys, is like tanaw ko na actually ang Bacolod eh. Akala mo malapit pero that's still an hour travel. So ayan, papaikutin ko lang yung screen so that you can see. And this guys is the aircon class. Ayan, makikita mo. Dito tayo nakasakay. So it's really different from doon sa taas, pero parang mas para sa akin mas enjoying sa taas eh. Mahangin. Leb, hi guys. Anong mahambal mo sa Pascat? Anong mahambal mo sa Pascat? Good? Manamit? Oh, okay. Thank you guys.
See you. Love you.
I love you, Rose.
Love you.
Okay.
Meron change on 50.
So, ayun guys, alam nyo, nakakatuwa rin. I didn't expect these things na susubukan ko dahil nag-aaral pa kami. Mahirap din ang buhay niya. My parents are really hardworking. They made us all finish our education. So, ganun din yung ginawa ko sa mga anak ko. And right now, okay na rin sila. So, kumbaga, right now, we are only enjoying the time that's left in us. So, habang kaya pa natin, we're in our 50s now and looking forward baka mag-share din ng mga experiences na pwedeng makapulot ng aralan, makapulot sa mga tao. Ayan yung ating goal yan.